trade crypto arbitrage trading, my people. And by now, crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a low price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So our centralized platform today is Binance, and as you can see, you also need a capital. And today we have 386 in our Binance small capital, and also we have our decentralized platform that is Ranquilly, where we'll be selling our assets at a higher price. So I want to announce this. There are free classes. Link is in bio. Make sure you click the link in bio and join the free classes. And if you comment in my videos, you might get free funding. So I'll do this video with the two parts. That's part 1 for trading, and also part 2 for withdrawals. TikTok right now has some restrictions. Video I've been posting, but they trim it to 3 minutes, 15 seconds, and so on and so forth. So I'll be doing this video for 2 parts. That is part 1 and part 2, but all entails crypto arbitrage trading. So we want to get the full picture of crypto arbitrage trading, and we've already bought our assets in Binance, which we buy them via P2P. Remember, you can replace with any platform same as Binance. Then we come to our Ranquilly, we sell our assets at a higher price. So for you to get your deposit address, just come on deposit, then you click on USDT, then you proceed and enter amount, any amount, let's say 30. Then if you click continue, you'll get your deposit address that will use to receive your assets if you are trading in an internal wallet. That is, you are Ranquilly, receiving in your Ranquilly. But if you are receiving in your external wallet but trading P2P arbitrage, then you enter your external wallet. So today we do internal. Then we make a withdrawal, which is very basic. And I always tell you that withdrawals, you can make withdrawals anytime of amount less than 100,000 USDT. So I'll enter amount. Let's trade with 1,000 and see what will make, because it has been long. Then I'll paste my address, Ranquilly address, which I told you already on how to copy it. You can see I'm receiving in my internal wallet, but if I could be receiving in my external wallet, then you can see I could have entered my Binance address. So we are trading with 1,000 USDT, crypto arbitrage trading. This is it, but we'll be making 1,190 USDTs. But there is something called P2P fee. Here it is. You can see now our end product will be 1,116. So 116 is my profit. So I'll confirm the trade, and the trade is running. You can see it here, 1,000 USDTs, capital of 1,000 USDTs, and profit of 1,016 USDTs. That means I'll be making 116 in profit. It will be running for 30 minutes. You can see it here, and also you can chat the merchant, or you can dispute if he delays to pay. So let's go and make a withdrawal as I had promised to my Binance account, and you can check the balance for now is 386.42. So we'll make a withdrawal of 50. Then we check the balance. So you come on add funds, you click on deposit assets, you click on USDT, then TRC20, and you copy your Binance address. So you can substitute this with any other platform. So I copy there, then I'll go home on Ranquilly. Remember, it is P2P arbitrage. Then I'll click on withdrawal, then I click on USDT, I'll paste the address, my Binance address, then I withdraw. Let's say this is part 2. Remember, if you haven't watched part 1, go watch it. I said that I'll split this video in 2 parts. So 52 USDT, I'll be expecting to receive around 50 USDTs in my Binance account. So I'll review and confirm withdrawal. I'll confirm withdrawal. So let's wait for it to be received in my Binance. Then we'll check if we've been paid in this arbitrage, P2P arbitrage. then we release. You can see the trade is running here. Just check it there. We haven't been paid. And remember also, you can trade arbitrage using arbitrage bots. So if you want some videos for this also, I can do them, and I guide you on how to trade with arbitrage bots. So make sure you don't miss a chance. So let's wait for the withdrawal, then we see how it will go. So guys, you can see I've got a confirmation that my withdrawal has been approved. My withdrawal has been approved. Let's check that on withdrawals history. Come here, check 52, approved. Then we go check on Binance, and also here it is approved. You can see complete, and the balance is there, 436 right now. So that's how we do it, and that's how we make some amazing profits, so you don't miss a chance of making profits with crypto arbitrage trading. So make sure you watch all the parts, and you make some good profits. We can reconfirm it, the withdrawal process. That's what people want to see. You can see it 50, and also we go back here on Tranquilly. We can check it on transaction history and actually confirm that it is the same address. So you can go and counter check this address where we pasted it, and what we received. So that's how you make profits. That's how you trade. Let me go back and release. Actually, maybe my trade has been paid on a P2P arbitrage. I'll come here on the notification, and actually it has been paid, so I'll just release. In just less than 10 minutes, I've made such profits. So that's how we make some good profits. Never miss a chance. Let's do this together.